Week look today is what is today? Thursday, 11th December, 6:06 in the evening. So we're looking at UK November 2015, May contract 2015, and we've got the close night 131.75. And as usual, we start with the monthly chart, and you can see we're in a two-year monthly downwards trend. We've had two green candles. December, we went up, broke through this 140, but have failed, and at the moment we're closing down here 131.75. This is a line in the sand here now, high of 2009, a low of 2011, and it's been tested and rejected at the present moment. So do we find support, or what happens next? So we'll pop down into the lower time frame. And here we are, the weekly time frame. You can see the trend lines in place, 140 here, and you can see that we've had a nice run up here. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, green candles. Had this big rejection candle here. Now we're getting a red one here. Would like to see this 130 level taken out, but at the moment it looks as though we're sort of slipping backwards. We've got a 5 and 20 cross upwards on the weekly chart, so that should add support. We are falling back on the Williams R, showing we're lacking strength, but let's go down into the daily, see what that gives any clue. And you can see here on the daily we've got these long-term trend lines, blue lines here coming through from the monthly, then the weekly chart. 140 here that we broke up through and failed. I've got my Elliott wave count here. I was looking originally for a high here of 145, 146. The highest we got to was 143.50, so that was quite shy of that, £2 or £3 shy of that, but looks as though as 5 is in at the present moment. We're heading back down here. Here's the top of number 3 here, 130. We'd like to see it sort of hold without us breaking through here. But unfortunately we are looking, though, we are getting close to a 5 and 20 cross. This was last seen back in May of this year, and again on November, where we've got a gap here down at 126, and also we've got our 60-day moving average, which will be crucial to hold here at 126. So we are heavily oversold at the moment on this Williams R here. You can see that we were last oversold here as bottom of wave 4. So we should see a bounce here that should take us back up again to test this 140. But obviously if the market wants to, it can go down and take out this trend line here and go down to test 126. We'd like to see that hold, but obviously we are in December. We have spoken about it last 2 or 3 weeks that we could see some big moves either way at the present moment as the volume gets light. So over the next 2 weeks we could see some big swings either way, but obviously we'll keep an eye on it. If we do see a break daily of this 126, then it is a sort of game changer, and that sort of opens out another fall down to test the lows 115. Hopefully this holds and we go back up to try and test my high of 145, 146. But I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.